Don't you wish that there was an easier way to just provide quotes to your commercial cleaning prospects? Like, what if they could just go on your website, click on a little calculator, put in their square footage, upload a couple pictures, and voila, you spit out a price form that's almost as accurate as if you went to a walkthrough. What if that was possible? Well, guess what? I just spent the whole day making that possible, y'all. I literally just built the tool. You can literally take this tool that I just built, the Cleaning Business Goat, built it just for you, y'all. So you ain't got to what if no more. You ain't got to wish there was a way. There is a way. It exists. And I'm about to show you right now. So as you can see, look at my screen and look what you see. You see a janitorial service price estimator, and it's already placed on a pre-built website, really as a funnel just for you. Okay, so you can actually take this template, plug it into your commercial cleaning company, and use it for your customers. All right, so you can see we got a little bit of copy here for you. Are they overcharging you just to underdeliver? Use our price estimator and see how much we could save by switching to your company name, right? So you would change that from CBN Cleaning to the name of your company. Then you can see they come down here. If they don't want to even get a price quote, they ready to get a customized one, they can click that button right there, right? And then obviously you can replace your logo here and all of that type of stuff. But here's what you came for. So your customer could easily just come in here, put in their information, put in a little bit of details. Now, first of all, why are they putting in all of these details? Because even if they don't actually like the price that we provide them, we want them to be a lead for us. Because guess what? If they become a lead for us, we can contact them nonstop, put them in our email marketing campaigns. We can put them inside of our text message campaigns. We can cold call them later, all type of stuff, right? So this is another lead magnet really that you want to have. And because we don't really care how accurate this price estimator is, if we're honest, right? But we want to give them a competitive quote on screen, so that we can get their information, and then once we get their information, we'll actually book an actual walkthrough with them. And then depending on the price that we gave them and how the facility ended up, the price could actually be accurate or a little bit lower than what we actually quoted them, because I did base this off of real numbers. However, all of us are based in different states and localities, so I tried to be modest with the numbers to make sure that you can give a competitive rate. However, at the same time, we wanted it to be close. So all right, so now that you got their personal information, all they would need to do is enter their square footage of their building. So let's just say they have a 20,000 square foot building. Let's just say that the building is cleaned 5 days a week. And then also right here is optional, but we prefer that they do fill this in so we can show them how much they'll save. So let's just say they tell you how much they're going to pay a month. Now, I don't want to guess it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into the bidding calculator in Clean Biz Network, so that you can see them inside the back end of the Clean Biz Network platform. I scrolled down to the bidding calculators right here, and then I'm just going to type in and pretend like this is a building that I actually would bid on. So let's just see what I actually would charge for a building this size. All right, so 20,000 square feet. Let's just say it's all carpet. Let's just say they got 20 urinals, mirrors, and sinks, and what is it, toilets. All right, so Tums. And then it's telling us how long it should take to clean that building. We'll put how much we'll pay somebody else to do it. It shows the rate that we charge to the actual client. We're going to put the time it takes to clean how many days we want to clean the facility. And so bam, we're going to say that we usually would charge $6,700 a month. So in this part right here where they're asking how much the customer pays each month right now, I'm just going to put $6,700 a month. All right, because that the calculator gave me a good idea of what somebody might actually be paying right now. All right, but I already told you that I kind of preset this calculator to be a little bit cheaper than what we actually going to quote the people, because we don't want to scare them way off a price without having a chance to actually do a walkthrough with them, introducing ourselves and selling them on why they should switch to us. All right, so once you do all of this information, all they got to do is click view my price quote, and bam, as you can see, it says, hey AJ, so it actually knew my name. All right, so this was smart enough to automatically tell me my name back and say, hi AJ, the price to clean your facility could only be $5,800 a month, which you better remember I put $6,700 in there as the price that the customer was currently paying, right? And so since they filled that part in, it tells them how much they actually could save too. So it says that means that you could be saving $10,254 per year. So let's get your walkthrough consultation schedule. And then they will click there, and then it's going to take them to where they can actually book an appointment with you. All right. Now, here's a good one too. Here's a kicker, right? So now you might say, okay, this is perfect, AJ, I love it. But what happens when the price isn't always that good? So let's go ahead and refresh this, and let's just see what happens. Let's just say you get a tiny building. And a lot of times when you're using bidding calculators, no matter whose bidding calculator you're using, a lot of times when you get those small jobs, guess what? those bidding calculators will tell you a price that's below your company minimum. And so your company minimum price is basically the lowest rate that you would charge to go out to any facility and accept them as a recurring client. So I have a solution for that as well. So we're just going to put a little number in here. 18, I think that's the number. I messed it up. 18, there we go. All right, and then we're going to put that in there. And then let's just say the facility is only 2,000 square feet and they only want it cleaned once per week. So now let's just see, and then we'll say that they're currently paying, let's just say they're paying $400 a month right now for that job. All right, so now we're going to click view quote, and now you can see it actually takes them to a whole nother sales page. So I created a actual funnel just for you, so in case you get some smaller accounts coming through, it'll automatically take them to your downsell page where you have a set rate with your monthly minimum price on there, and it tells them, all right, for this particular job, it could be a flat fee of $279 per month. And then they simply click here, schedule their consultation with you, and you can do virtual or in person. Because smaller accounts, we really don't need to visit. We can just do it virtually, so they can hop on Zoom, walk you around the building, and you can close that deal right from the comfort of your office or your home, right in your computer, y'all. So if you want this funnel, you want the ability to close deals and actually give people price quotes right on your website, make sure you join the Cleaning Biz Automation program. This is only for Cleaning Biz Automation members, y'all. And you can see right now why we call it the automation program is because this is literally automated. It's literally automated, y'all. So make sure you go to join. Is at cleanbizuniversity.com/automation. All right. Make sure you go over there. Myself, as well as my comrade, Automations King, Mr. Andrew Lewis, we partner together to bring you this program, y'all, so we can start building these cleaning businesses more efficiently. You can see we got the templates already pre-built here for you. All you got to do is get out here and close the deal. So I'm AJ Simmons, the cleaning business GOAT, and this is why they call me the GOAT, y'all, because I spent all day today in my office in silence building stuff like this just for y'all to use and take your cleaning company to the next level. All right, so let's talk soon, and I'll talk to y'all inside the automation program. By the way, like, subscribe, share, comment. Let's grow these businesses, y'all. I'm out.